Today's we are going to learn in a mathematics part second of first chapter basic concept in a geometry. The most important concept is a distance and betweenness. आज आपण गणित भाग 2 मधील पहिले प्रकरण भूमितीतील मूलभूत संकल्पना यामधील अंतर आणि दरम्यानता यांचा अभ्यास करणार आहोत. Distance between 2 points. First you understand the concept of distance between 2 points. Already we have to learn in last lecture distance between 2 points. Here find the distance with the help of following number line. This is a given number lines. On this number line, the middle point is a origin O, its coordinate 0. On RHS side P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, and on LHS side F, E, D, C, B, A are the points. To find distance ES, to find distance DV, to find distance RU, to find distance AF. First you understand how to find distance ES. Here the coordinate of point E is a -2. This is a point E. Coordinate is a -2. The coordinate of point S is the 4. Therefore, 4 is a greater than -2. Distance between 2 point E and S is the subtraction of larger coordinate and smaller coordinate. Therefore, distance ES is equal to 4 minus of -2, minus is a plus, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Second, distance to find DV. The coordinate of point D is a -3. The coordinate of point V is the 7. 7 is a greater than -3. Therefore, distance DV is equal to 7 minus of -3. Minus plus 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. To find distance RU, the coordinate of point R, this is the point R, is the 3, and the coordinate of point U is a 6. Both numbers are positive, then 6 is a greater than 3. Distance between RU is equal to 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. And distance, to find distance AF. The coordinate of point A is the -6. The coordinate of point F is equal to -1. -1 is a greater than -6. Therefore, distance CQ is equal to -1. Distance AF is equal to -1. Minus of -6 minus plus -1 plus 6 is equal to 5. Distance between 2 points is a non-negative real number. दोन बिंदू मधील अंतर हे कधीच ऋण संख्या नसते. Distance is never negative number. It is always positive number. Question number 2. The coordinate of some point are given in the table below. खालील टेबल मध्ये काही पॉइंट आणि त्यांचे कोऑर्डिनेट दिलेले आहेत. Point P coordinate is a -8, point Q of coordinate is a 6, point R coordinate is a 2, point S coordinate is a -5, and the coordinate of point T is a 1. Find distance PQ, second distance QR, distance QT. First, to find distance between 2 point P and Q, the coordinate of point P is a -8 and the coordinate of point Q is a 6. 6 is a greater than -8. Therefore, distance PQ is equal to 6 minus of -8 minus minus plus 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. Distance PQ is equal to 14 unit. Second, to find distance QR, the coordinate of point Q is equal to 6 and the coordinate of point R is equal to 2. Here 6 is a greater than 2, then distance QR is equal to 6 minus 2 is equal to 4 unit. And third distance, to find distance between point Q and T, distance QT. The coordinate of point Q is a 6, the coordinate of point T is a 1. Therefore, 6 is a greater than 1. Hence, distance QT is equal to 6 minus 1 is equal to 5 unit. Betweenness म्हणजे दरम्यानता. First, you understand what is mean by betweenness. If P, Q and R are three distinct collinear points, there are three possibility. समजा P, Q आणि R हे तीन एकरेषीय बिंदू आहेत. एकरेषीय बिंदू असताना आपल्याला तीन शक्यता जाणून येतात. There are three possibility. First, point Q is between P and R. Q हा बिंदू P आणि R च्या मध्ये आहे. In this way, point Q lies between P and R. Second possibility, point R is between P and Q. Point R lies between P and Q. Second possibility. And third possibility is point R is between P and Q. Point P lies between Q and R. Point P lies between Q and R. Betweenness is if distance PQ plus distance QR is equal to distance PR, then it is said that point Q is a between P and R. From this first possibility, distance PQ plus distance QR, therefore the point Q lies between P and R. In a second possibility, distance PR plus distance RQ is equal to distance PQ, therefore point R between P and Q. In a third possibility, distance QP plus distance PR is equal to distance QR, then point P between Q and R. Therefore, the betweenness is shown as P dash Q dash R. आणि betweenness दाखवण्यासाठी P dash Q dash R या चिन्हाचा उपयोग करतात. Example first for betweenness. On a number line, points A, B and C are such that distance AB is equal to 5, distance BC is equal to 11, distance AC is equal to 6. Which of the points is between the other two? संख्या रेषेवर बिंदू A, B, C आहेत. AB मधलं अंतर 5 एकक आहे. BC मधलं अंतर 11 एकक आहे. AC मधलं अंतर 6 एकक आहे. तर कोणता बिंदू कोणत्या दोन बिंदूच्या दरम्यान आहे? सोल्यूशन, distance AB is equal to 5, distance BC is equal to 11, distance AC is equal to 6. Therefore, this point B, A, C, BA is equal to 5, AC is equal to 6, 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. Therefore, 5 is the distance AB plus 6 is a distance AC is equal to 11 is a distance BC. On LHS side, distance AB plus distance AC, point A is a common. Therefore, point A lies between B and C. Therefore, point A is a between B and C. Question number 2. U, V, and A are three cities on a straight road. The distance between U and A is a 215 kilometer. Between V and A is a 140 kilometer. And between U and V is a 75 kilometer. Which of them is between the other two? U, V आणि A ही तीन शहरे एकाच सरळ रस्त्यावरती आहेत. यू आणि ए मधील अंतर 215 किलोमीटर, व्ही आणि ए मधील अंतर 140 किलोमीटर, यू आणि व्ही मधील अंतर 75 किलोमीटर आहे. तर कोणते शहर कोणत्या दोन शहराच्या दरम्यान आहे? डिस्टन्स UA is equal to 215 kilometer, distance VA is equal to 140 kilometer, and distance UV is equal to 75 kilometer. Greater number is 215 and smaller two number 75 and 140. Sum of smaller two number 75 plus 140 is equal to 215. Therefore, distance UV plus distance VA is equal to distance UA. 140 plus 75 is equal to 215. Therefore, 140 is a distance VA plus 75 is a distance UV is equal to 215 is a distance UA. On LHS side, distance VA plus distance UV, V point is a common, then V lie between U and A. Therefore, the city is V between the cities U and A. Third problems. The coordinate of point A on number line is a 5. Find the coordinate of point on the same number line which are 13 units away from A. Point A हा संख्या रेषेवर आहे ज्याचा निर्देशक 5 आहे. असा कोणता निर्देशक आहे की त्या दोन बिंदूमधील अंतर 13 एकक असेल? अशा बिंदूचा निर्देशक किती? The coordinate of point A is a 5. The coordinate of point B on the same number line which are 13 units away from A, we have to consider its coordinate is a y. Therefore, distance AB is equal to 13. There are two possibilities, phi and y. The coordinate number is a phi and y. In a first condition or first possibility, phi greater than y. Therefore, distance AB is equal to phi minus y. Distance AB is equal to 13. 13 is equal to phi minus y. Minus y goes on LHS side and 13 goes on RHS side. Then we get sign change. Y is equal to phi minus 13 is equal to minus 8. Then coordinate of other point B is minus 8. Or for second possibility or second case, y is a greater than phi. Distance AB is equal to y minus phi. Distance AB is equal to 13. 13 is equal to y minus phi. Minus phi goes down LHS side, then we get plus. Therefore, y is equal to 13 plus phi is equal to 18. Maybe the coordinate of other point y is equal to 18. Therefore, the coordinate of point 13 units away from A will be -8 and 18. On number line from the origin on RHS side having positive integer and on LHS side having negative integer. Therefore, the coordinate of point A on number line is a 5 and other point of coordinate is -8 and 18 having distance between them is a 13 unit. Therefore, the coordinate of points 13 units away from A will be -8 and 18. Today's homework. First problem for homework. On a number line, points A, B and C are such that distance AB is equal to 3, distance BC is equal to 10 and distance AC is equal to 7. Which of the point is between the other two? Second problem for homework. The coordinate of point B on a number line is a -3. Find the coordinate of point on the same number line which are 6 units away from B.